lemon. I am pouring some squeezed lemon and some sugar. And some salt. And I am pouring some cold water. I am pouring cold water and fill it. And I am going to mix. Wow, it's nice! Nice juice! Thank you!
Hello everyone, my name is Karnika from class 4B. Today for this wireless cooking activity, I'll be doing Oreo ice cream. So first, take some crushed Oreos. Then, add a cup of milk. Now mix it well. After you mix it without any lumps, pour this mixture into a glass. Now, place an ice cream stick in it. After you place it, let this rest in the freezer for 5 to 6 hours. Now our ice cream is well freezed. The ice cream is ready to eat. Thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is BVMG. I am going to show a recipe without fire. I am going to prepare a sweet poha. Ingredients: 1 cup poha, half cup jaggery powder, half cup grated coconut, and a pinch of cardamom powder, and water as required. We have to soak the poha and wash it well. Here is the soaked poha. We have to add jaggery powder. Have to add grated coconut. And we have to add a pinch of cardamom powder. Mix it well. Our sweet poha is ready. Let's have a taste. Yum! It is very sweet. Thank you.
From class 4B. Today I'm gonna do fruit salad. For that, ingredients is needed: pomegranate, apple, dates pieces, and banana pieces, and honey. First, we are gonna add grapes to the fruit salad. Banana. Now mix it. And top of it add honey. And mix it well. Fruit salad is ready. It's very tasty and healthy. Try it in your home.
Good morning to one and all present here. Now I'm going to do a yummy mango popsicle. First, for the popsicle, take a yummy juicy mango. Cut the yummy mango into small pieces. Take the juice out of it. 4 different glasses and pour the juice on it and put a spoon, copper cover over it and keep it for a full night. We have taken the popsicle from the fridge. It is frozen and it's very tasty to see itself.